Hey guys, good morning. This is Tony. So I wanted to just kind of show why it's a good idea to stay diverse, right? These are all the cryptos that I own. Well, not really all of them, but it's just the majority, right? Some of them are on my watch list, some of them are the ones that I actually own. But it's a good idea to diversify because Cardano, while it did hit highs of 225 and then shot back down about 10 cents, just right now Ethereum Classic started running about 13%. So they come in waves. Every single run is different. So you might have, like, for example, Cardano and Polygon run first, and then they drop, and then something like Ethereum and Bitcoin run together, and then they drop, and then Internet Computer runs, then they drop, and then Ethereum Classic runs. So it's a good idea to kind of diversify because it keeps your account from really, deteriorating altogether. Because if you're diversified into multiple cryptos, or at least in different sectors and different things that they do, you'll have a category of crypto run at one time, and then you'll have the next category run, and then you'll have the next category run. So overall, your account is still up, and even if you have lows or you start having your account kind of deter a little bit in portfolio price, you make up for those losses somewhere else because you're diversified. So I just kind of wanted to point that out, strictly on the fact that, again, I do own a lot, but Ethereum Classic, I have about $2,300 currently. Right now it's jumping, while all the other ones are actually dropping a little bit. So Cardano is back at 211, Polygon went at 140, Anchor still at like 10 cents, Stellar Lumens and Chainlink are kind of like in the middle, and then the big ones, Ethereum and Bitcoin are, Bitcoin is at 45, it dropped from 47, and then Ethereum is starting to hit lows of 3,000. I haven't done a TA, but I knew that I knew that the big two were gonna drop in a little bit. But again, this is why it's good to diversify, because when you have other cryptos running, others drop, and then the other way around. So you'll never really see too much of a big drop all at once, because one sector pushes on one side while the other one falls. Bye.